myself Jay Gandhi, કેબલ હાઉસમાં અમે બે ભાઈઓ છે. બેસિકલી ફાધરનો બિઝનેસ છે 40-year-old firm. We are a 40-year-old firm. Myself Jay and my brother is Vaibhav. He's sitting in Ahmedabad. We have a branch office in Ahmedabad. અને આ HO છે. Basically we manufacture cable ties under the brand name of Venus. અને we also manufacture stainless steel cable tie under the brand name of Steel Rep. Apart from that, we are the pioneer distributor for polycab cables from last 40 years. We are distributors for polycab heat shrink sleeves. We are a stockist for wire heat shrink sleeves, distributor for Cosmos cable glands and other electrical accessories also. Earlier it used to go in electrical line only, but as a cable tie is a consumable item, so it is nowadays going everywhere. So end to end, from each industry, from plastic to manufacturing to designing, every industry use cable ties. So we are giving it to n number of companies, and we are basically a company oriented company where we give material directly to company. We are not a trader based company where we give material to trader or a dealer network, and we directly give it to company. We are associated with Larsen & Toubro, Schneider, Airtel, Vodafone, Reliance, for cable tie especially. For stainless steel cable ties, we have Mahindra, TVS in our kitty. From solar perspective, we have CleanMax, we have Siletere, which use a floating solar company, India's first floating solar company. And we have a rate contract with Tata also, Tata Solar. We are based pan India. We deliver pan India, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari we deliver. And if one range is bound, if we are above that range, then we deliver free of cost goods to the freight is free basically all over India. Right now, just before 1 month, we have taken distributorship of polycab heat shrink sleeve. So it is first from the kind of polycab. It is basically a Chinese company, Wire, is manufacturing it, and in India polycab is the first company to make it, and we are the first distributor of it. So mostly our target is that audience to convince polycab heat shrink sleeves. Engiexpo is a good platform where local layman freelancer to good manufacturing companies come and visit there, and the footfall also is good in Engiexpo.